The burpee push-up supinated dumbbell bicep curl is a full body exercise combination that will get your heart rate pumping to burn more calories. The addition of the dumbbell curl helps target the biceps. To get started, with a shoulder width stance, hold a pair of dumbbells with a neutral palms facing in grip with your arms down by your sides. Bend at your hips, then your knees as you lower your body and dumbbells to the floor with your palms facing each other. While gripping the dumbbells, with your hands directly under your shoulders, jump back with both feet to get into a standard push-up position with your arms extended. Immediately complete the push-up by bending your elbows and lowering your body until it's a few inches off the floor. Then press your hands through the dumbbells to raise back to the top of the push-up. While holding the dumbbells, jump both feet back in and immediately stand up. While keeping your upper arms tucked to your sides, bend your elbows to curl the dumbbells towards your shoulders, then rotate the dumbbells to palms up, supinated grip. That's 1 rep. Reverse the movement back to the floor and repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.